Hi friends, this is Barbara and we're back with another Crockpot meal. But this time what we're going to make is a shrimp and sausage gumbo. And we're going to start by putting oil in a pan and putting well, you could use one. I am doubling my recipe, but put some hot or andouille sausage or hot smoked sausage. Kind of same thing. So I'm putting 2 packages in mine because I like the extra meat. My family loves the extra meat, especially sausage. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to sear that up. And while you're searing your sausage, we're going to throw in a quarter cup of celery, quarter cup of onion, quarter cup of green bell pepper. Okay, just mix that in as so. And you're going to want to brown. Sorry, I'm a messy cooker. And I really honestly needed a bigger pan. Okay, we're just going to finish searing up that sausage. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do now is right there I put my sausage in after searing that a little bit, and also the onion and the celery. So go ahead and sear that and put it in your crock pot. Then here, this is going to be a shortcut to roux. This is going to take off 45 minutes of your time, unless you want to stand at the stove and do your roux. That's perfectly fine. But today we're boxing this. Okay, so a box of gumbo base, and then what we're going to do is just put a couple squirts of oil in there and then pour that in there. Oh, and pour that in there, I'm talking about 6 cups of chicken broth. Started with 6 cups of chicken broth. You'll want to make sure you stir all the lumps out. Okay, after getting all your lumps out, and here is our crock pot, what we want to do is also throw in a cup of okra, and anything that you don't like, you can leave out. I'm throwing in a half a cup of corn. Then that mixture, that base, we're going to pour that right over all of that. I think I better get all of that goodness out of there, because that is the flavoring also. Stir that up. You're going to want to throw in some garlic powder to your liking. You're going to want to throw in 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay, and then we are looking at 1 tablespoon. Oh, geez, this is hard. 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. I guess I can pour it like this. Oh, that was perfect. I did such a great job. Okay. Then again, let's get that all stirred up. So what we're going to serve this over is rice. Okay. We also have more stuff to throw in here, but we are going to wait 30 minutes before our done time. So you determine the done time, whether you're going to cook this 6 to 8 minutes on low or 4 to 6 minutes on high. So you be the judge. But 30 minutes before, we're going to come in here and we're going to dump some shrimp in, okay? Okay, friends, I have my rice cooking right here. I'm about to open up my crock pot. Okay, and if you have a glass top stove, never put your lid on the top of your stove. Never. Okay, so now I'm about to throw in 2 of these packages of shrimp. And there is my 2 packages. Oh, some of them just thought they were going to stick to the side. Okay, and now we're going to stir that in. Oh, this is looking and smelling good. Okay, we are going to put that lid back on there, and then I'll be back in another 30 minutes. By that time, my rice will also be done. Ooh-wee. Let's give it a nice stir. The shrimp are done. Okay, so I had made some rice. Just want to scoop some of that up. And then serve with some cornbread. That looks really good. Keep that hot. Get some of that rice. Okay, well, the shrimp is going to be my favorite out of this because I really like shrimp. I mean, I like spicy sausage too. That will go absolutely fantastic with that rice. But I'm going to try a bite of this. Oh, it is so hot. I probably burnt the heck out of the top of the roof of my mouth. Okay, you guys. This turned out fantastic. And I hope you enjoy that too. Okay, friends. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Okay, my friends. Keep on cooking. I love you guys.